Hello and thanks for checking out ChartGuys.com. We're proud to be one of the most successful technical analysis communities online, teaching you the skills to become a more confident, effective, and informed trader. Join our community of hundreds of analysts worldwide working together to learn the charts, generate profit, and achieve financial independence. For access to daily live chart analysis and market coverage, a thriving chat community, along with dozens of hours of exclusive educational materials. We look forward to seeing you. Let's check out some charts. Hey everyone, checking in on the market. So starting it off on the 4-hour time frame with SPY, I am liking this view. It's been giving a great guide. Got the higher low as anticipated on the 4-hour time frame. Here we are right in the middle of the range. We know we have a limited week coming up, half day tomorrow, no trading Wednesday. I do anticipate to stay within this tightening pattern into tomorrow with that low volume, and I'll be looking for a break Thursday or Friday. If we see a bull break of this triple top, it's a bullish reversal inverse head and shoulders pattern on this 4-hour time frame. And if we get a bear break and a loss of the higher low, 269.24, then we're going to be looking at the weekly higher low that the bulls must hold of 266.56. So at this point on the weekly, we're holding the middle Bollinger Band 2 weeks in a row. We're trying to form this weekly higher low, but obviously we have to get this bull break on the daily time frame, break this range that we've been in for the last 6 days, and see some follow through back into the mid 270s. So it's all about the 4-hour time frame in the short term for me. The financial sector continues to be the main focus that I have, with the tech sector just behind it. And IWM, big bounce, but again, we haven't broken the high of the initial bounce yet. So we look at these names on shorter term time frames, and they're seeing a bounce, no doubt, but clear resistance to be watching. We have our low, high of the bounce, higher low, and we're right now at this resistance. Next level would be 166.66 if we do break bullish. But that's what has to break in order to shift this momentum back towards the bulls in the short term. The weekly chart is very healthy consolidation, a little bit more pullback than the bulls would like for a potential bull flag. I would anticipate to trade within this range a bit more than if we had just pulled back, a bit less, and we're looking for a potential continuation right away. So I would be looking for a lower high, but first things first, all depends on the short term and whether SPY can break that bullish and whether IWM can break its little double top. QQQ, same thing. The resistance is right there. We closed very strong. The tech sector came out the second half of the day today. Resistance 172.92, 173.58 to break the short-term range over the last 6 days. And in terms of support, it's the similar setup where we have the 4-hour higher low to be watching. So low and the higher low. Again, it's the same pattern here as well for the potential bullish reversal inverse head and shoulders pattern. So that's what we're keeping an eye on. Key resistance here is 172.92, 173.58. QQQ weekly, also not likely to be a bull flag. Still very healthy consolidation, but when I look at the bull flag, I just want very brief, healthy consolidation before the bulls look like they're ready to just go to higher highs in a straight shot. And the pullback we've seen here is a little bit more than the bulls would like to see in order for that to happen. VIX on the daily chart today. Gap up open and an all-out dump down at the low of the day. Same thing though. Look at the range the last 6 days. It's very clear. We have a couple lower highs and a base of support down at 1476 and 1466. So if we were to draw it, it would pretty much be the inverse of what we're drawing with these other names, where we just have clear resistance levels. Magnet broke. So clear resistance levels of lower highs and a base of support down here that the bulls want to maintain. It's essentially a triple bottom and a clear lower high. So that is a descending triangle pattern. And it looks way less clear on the hourly time frame. So that's why I'm liking these 4-hour time frames much better for clarity. So we'll see what tomorrow brings in this tight pattern. Again, we're done at 1 p.m. Eastern, so not expecting a whole lot of activity. I am expecting VIX to hold this support level, and I am expecting SPY to maintain in that range. Doesn't mean they're going to, but that's the most likely scenario. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you over the holiday break.